A realistic day in the life of a therapist and business coach who works 20 hours a week. So I'm getting up with the kids, getting some sunshine in my day, checking on my lemon bush, still no lemons on it. Checking out the day, bit overcast, but beautiful. This little one was checking things out, he's still waking up, getting down these stairs. Oh, woke up to a nice surprise from the dog, shit on the carpet, great. So cleaning that first thing in the morning to wake up to. Gone, great. Get the kids their breakfast, of course Nemo's on. Can't be perfect all the time, right? Feed the dogs, get their breakfast. Put the kettle on with my Bogan kettle, get those sunshine in my eyes, shake for breakfast for me, pat the dog, have that decaf coffee, get the kids in on the way to daycare, driving along, playing the tunes, started going to the gym again. So this is going to hurt, but at least I had some sauna which sweated it out. Starting my work day. So I came home, had a shower, and this is my setup for the day. Went to work downstairs.
You want to give me a wave?
And I had a lovely client after my group coaching call. Made some lunch, had some Caesar and some steak. Took the kids to the park after daycare. Did a bit of a scooter up here. Then we were doing cars on the driveway, spending some time together. Time to feed the little one his bottle with the bottle machine, such a lifesaver. Chicken and strawberries and pear. Get that washing back out from the washing I put in the morning. Another shake for dinner. Feed the dogs. The chaos that is the mess the kids did. There's a boogie board in there. So we're getting the kids to pack up their mess. Oh, so much better. Everything's back. Boogie board gone. All right, so we're loading the dishwasher, unloading, getting the mess out, putting that back in. Oh, better. Mess is gone. Getting another bot for the littlest one to go to bed upstairs, with. Having a shower while the kids are in the bath, while they're having fun. All right, putting the kids to bed. This one's a giggle guts, always on my bed. No doona cover on the bed because who has time for that? Was too tired to get it done. But my book's on the side of the bed. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Happiness Trap, Law of Attraction, ADHD. Perfect combination. Put this kid's nightlight on, put them to bed. Now it's time for my skincare. Chaos, that is the day. I'm having a glass of wine after that. Now it's time for me to have some me time. If you think that's all I ate today, I ended up having some chips while I sat down and watched some TikTok while watching some Netflix. So I hope that shows you the reality of being a mum and a business owner working a few hours a day.